Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. So I want to go through my order book for today. Um, I just closed out a couple of hedges that I had for a little loss. I think the market's going much higher. Uh, I don't think there's nothing stopping this market. Let me go through my orders. Big day today. I had a total of 79 fills in this account. Didn't do nothing in the other account. Um, pretty big day. Big day today. Um, this future was just not a scalp, a hedge, which then I closed it out for a small winner. Um, so let me go one by one. TRXC, big volume in this stock, man. I will put this stock on your list. Can't really tell the details here, but I have a couple calendars in here, and it's doing well. I'm up 150% on this, on 177. I sold a put today in here, and I have some calendars. 62,000 calls, just big, massive buying in this stock. Um, Maybe I could pull up the chart here. You get a better feel on this chart. And pull up the 1 year. Maybe you can get a better. Uh, Not really. Uh, let's go 1 year. This is pretty much 1 year. Look, maybe I have to autos. No, no, don't like the way it looks. Looks kind of like you can't really tell the details. 3 year. Let's do a week. I should get a better picture here. Well, you can see here you're getting some volume here, and this thing is picking up. But you can't. This chart doesn't really do justice. Let me pull up this chart here. I like this chart here. It gives you a better feel for it. This is the daily. Uh, the 50-day has crossed the 200-day. You got huge buying here. All the indicators are just pointing up. RSI is 91. Here's the weekly, so you can see a little bit more better feel for it. So this stock is having a monster run, and well, I'm making $220 in here, and I don't have a lot of capital tied up. I kind of spread. I sold the put in there today. INSG, I closed that out for a 50% profit. BWEN, added to my position. Let's see what that closed at today. 829. So I got 50 shares. This stock has been overextended, so I'm just adding I'm nibbling very little because it's been up a lot. So maybe I'll buy some more 25 here, maybe another 25 here, and try and get, you know, accumulate my shares here. But these guys do windmills and precision gearing and specialty weldments in the energy and mining related field. So they don't have any options. Um, this one was moving big today. LAC was moving huge today. Let me pull up the chart here for you. LAC. Uh, you can see it here. Okay, so it opened around here. And look at that huge run to 28. Big volume. I uh, I sold the put credit spread. I had another position in there, an iron fly that went bad on me. So just trying to make some money in here. I got a bunch of positions in here, but keep this one on your radar. They had some news today. Uh, I think they signed the deal. This is just very big. Oh, you can see here. A company announced the United States Bureau of Land Management had issued a record of decision on its lithium project, so they got an okay here. So big move in this stock. Keep and good premiums. IV at 49. Keep your eye on this company. Uh, Try to make some money back in there. HTBX, I bought this stock straight up, no options. 100 shares. You can see here on the screener here, little pop over the 50-day here with some volume. Let's see what this one closed at 690, up a little bit from where I bought it. You can see this chart does a little bit more justice here. You can see it pulling up to the 50-day line here, and I think we're gonna get a crossover, and we're gonna get some oomph in here. I don't think it's I don't think there's a lot of outstanding shares in this one. It might be thinly traded, so they have 22 million shares, so it's thinly traded. Had 3 million shares trade hands today, so this can easily ramp up quick. So keep your eye on this one. This one might be a good winner. Keep your eye on this one. I got in a little early. I think it could be a huge winner. Okay, so that's that one. SRNE. So to put credit spread in here, and I also have a calendar. So I have the 10 calendar. 10 calendar on the call side, and today I decided to do a put credit spread. I sold the 10 and I bought the 5 for margin relief. So this one was showing some heavy volume as well. SRNE kind of reversed during the day, but had high volume. And this one's kind of tricky. This one's been all over the place. But any news will make it pop. So I got into that one. What else do we got here? I bought ELTK. Very thin traded. Very thin traded. So we're up here, right here. Anything can make this thing rocket. This thing only has 4 million shares outstanding. Only a PE of 11, so it's very small. Very small. Got into GVP. GVP. Nice bar here. Looks like it wants to go higher. Maybe we can get into the 2s, I think, easily. So I picked up some shares there. Netflix reported after the bell. I did a trade on Netflix before. Right here, my Netflix trade right here. I did a broken wing butterfly for $45. So it looks like I'm gonna keep this credit because it seems like it exploded after hours to 564. So I sold the weeklies. I did a broken wing butterfly over here, and these will just go to the graveyard. I don't have to do anything here, and I keep my $45. It was pretty much it was more or less at the expected move. I think it was. I think the move was expected move was 30, 34, 33. Here it is, 34. It completely moved out of the move. It's over 60. So yeah, big move. The futures are pointing higher, I think, in relation to this. You got the small caps here at 2150, and you got the S&P at over 3,800. NASDAQ is bucking the trend, and Dow Jones is up too. So we got green all over the place. So I think the trend will continue. What else do we got here? I did a calendar in HMHC. HMHC. I did a calendar in here. Seemed like somebody wanted this thing. This thing just gapped up today. Huge volume here. Huge volume. So I did calendars at the 5. I did calendars at the 5 and 750s. Small. These are small trades. $20, $20.05. But you know, these small trades can end up being something because, for example, in TRXE, I did a calendar in this one. Here, I'll put up the order history so you can see what I'm talking about. TRC, right? So this is the order history. I did one for 10 cents. I did 20 of them for 10 cents. So this was a $200 trade. Let's let let's see what this brings now. Opposite order. This will bring you a double. So right now it's at a double. So it's a double. And it could be more if you go to Analyze tab. That small trade can bring you some money eventually. Let me go over here and knock out the 250 put I sold. And this is the calendar. So this calendar, if it stays within the the one, if you can see here in this corner right here, you can see if it stays right here in this range. If it pulls, right now the stock's over here. Let me see if I can bring this down a little bit so you can get a better view of this. Okay, so it's like a 10. You see, it's a 10. So right now the stock's over here. Sorry, it's about here. So obviously it's kind of overextended. I mean, you look at the chart, it's a little extended. The TR, well, you can't see it on this one, but you can see it on the on this one here, QRXC. So you see it's kind of extended. It's a little extended. RSI is at 90. It's a little overbought. So maybe we get a little pullback. If not, not a big deal. It's only a 10-cent calendar, but if it pulls back, look at the max profit on this. I can make 800 bucks more or less on that trade. So those calendars are powerful tools, and they keep you engaged, and they're not that much money. FUTU, what I did was on that one, this one broke through my call side. It was up very big, and what I did was I have an iron condor on this one, and it blew through my call side. As you can see there, it's in the money. So what I did was I rolled up the untested side. I think I had the 40-45, something like that. I had the 50-45, and I rolled it up to 65-60 for a 70-cent credit. So that helps me with my trade, lower my cost basis, and collect more premium. PLL, I did the same thing, rolled the untested side because it blew through my call side, brought that up. WWR, new position. WWR looked very pretty. Let me pull up the chart. Very, very pretty. Did a put credit spread on WWR. Look at this bar right here. And I think it was still, it's up $2. After hours, it was still going up, I think. So I did a put credit spread on them. I can see this one going higher. I collected $1.60. I might manage it at 50%. Who knows? I mean, I gotta play it by ear. I bought a call. I don't know about this trade. I bought a call in IDRA. I think I might have paid a little bit too much for this call, but I didn't see anything else to do, and the action was here. So I said, why not? Let me put a chart here. IDRA. So you can see here, nice big bar here. Nice volume up here. Look at the volume. Nice bar. Pretty setup. And closed pretty much at the high of the day. 550 was the resistance here. Went through it, some volume. I think we have some continuation. So when I looked at the option chain, they're pretty expensive, but there's nothing to do on the put side. There's nothing to do. I don't really want to sell fours for 20-30 cents. I'm not interested in that. And there's really nothing here in the 59-day mark. So what I did was the action was right here. Somebody wanted these calls, so I picked up a call here. I'm actually up $75. So maybe I didn't overpay. Wow, the move went up to $7 here. So maybe somebody knows something. I don't know. So I'm in here, and it's doing okay. I'm up 35% on my $215 investment. So I'm in that one. TENX, about the stock. TENX. Let's pull up the chart here. Nice big bar here. Gap. This is biopharma, so you don't know any crazy news, and this can maybe go higher. I'm sure it had some news today. That's why it was up. uh, TNX. It shows up 35 after the company says buying PH Precision Med. So they bought another company. So maybe it's a good acquisition for them, and the stock continues to go higher. I mean, it's been higher before. You pull up the weekly. Um, it's right here at this part, right here at this resistance. So, and we got a couple big volume bars here, and this is like the biggest volume since since the first base one. So I think if we could crack through here, there's no reason why we can't get up here where it was before, you know. So added a little bit of there. Looked like there was some good action, pretty strong buying. Got that one. Did a calendar in Kodak. Kodak was showing some unusual call activity today. 53,000 calls. I did the 1250s. Up 17% on that. It's just 80. I did two of them, so it's about $80 trade. This is the future that I closed and made 10. I made 10 points on it easy. I sold a put in ETM. Where am I? Sorry, I'm just looking at something here. Okay, so ETM looked pretty decent as well today. I sold a put in ETM right here, the 4. I sold that. That's all I did in there. I could put up the chart for you, ETM. You can see that. Nice, nice bar, nice, like, you know, blue skies. I think it could go to 5 easy. Can get up here, I think. So ETM, it was actually upgraded today. ETM was upgraded by Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo ETM. Right here. It was upgraded 7. Overweight by Wells Fargo. 7. So ETM 7. Let's go. MDWD bought this stock. Just seems like a lot of buying here. Look at this. So this was resistance, and it's past the pivot, and just a lot of bars here, man. A lot of buying in here. Biopharma here. No options. I just bought the stock straight up, and we shall see. Looks like a breakout. Some heavy volume. So I got into that one. And these are, I like I said, you guys know my procedure. I go through the scanners and I look for, I go through the top rated stocks. I go through all the scans and I see stuff with heavy volume. I look at the charts, and it looks like something that people are buying. I might get into it. Like that's what I do. So that one looked pretty good. I got into soybeans. That's an option in that's a future in soybeans. Down a little bit. I bought a call in CYH. There was nothing to do on the put side. This one's another one. Just like wants to go chest 11, some volume. So I bought a call in here. It's up 15%. But this one there was some action in here, so bought that one. Bought some stock in ISR. You can see here some big buys. So maybe there's some news coming out. I don't know, but I got into ISR. Let me see here, ISR. Let's see what it did after that. That's pretty much where I bought it at. Maybe we get a good pop later. Holding that one. E-Man looked pretty good today. I think these guys do chips. I think it was chips or something for manufacture micro displays, viewers, mounted display systems for consumer, telecom, military, and medical. A nice bar here. Look at this. A lot of buying. Yeah. I think this one will make new highs. I've seen this one come out before. It's just a lot of buying here. Looks pretty nice. What I do in there? I bought stock straight up, and I did a calendar. Did a calendar and stock. Okay. What else we got? GSM. GSM look pretty good. Nice little pop here over the 222 here. Um, they do special metals out of the UK. Uh, what did I do in GSM? So I think I just did I sold the put. Actually, I did calendars. I did calendars and I sold the put. So yeah, I sold the put and I did a calendar. Did several. Actually, what I did here was I did a put, used that put to buy a call because it was a lot of calls, and then I did a calendar a little bit further. I did the 4. So that's what I did in GSM. BioC was trending on stock tweets, and I got into it. It was just trending. I was like, well, let me get into it. It's trending. Here's the chart. Got a nice little bar here. Big volume bar. Was $13 before. Excuse me, let me get a swig here. Yep. So that I got into that one. LCTX. LCTX got into this one too. Did a lot of under $10 stuff today. Didn't see a lot of stuff that was high dollar stuff that that maybe I don't have position in, or seems like the small caps is where it's at right now. So I bought 100 shares of this, and I did a couple calendars in this bio company. VGAC, this is a SPAC. VGAC, this SPAC, I sold the put credit spread right in the money. These things usually just keep going up. These SPAC put credit spreads seem like no-brainers. COCP, I was up nicely on that day. I wonder if I get gains. No, look, it finished at the high. So I bought 200 shares of this one at $1 under $1.80. I'm up $114 on COCP, another bio. It looked very interesting, and I got into it, and it's working. A big bar here. Maybe we can get past this hump here. Get past this hump here. The old high was 5 or 6. That'd be nice. See what's let's see what the news is. The company's trading high has completed all research again under the Merck exclusive worldwide license and collaboration agreement. Merck is now solely responsible for further development of its influenza A and B antiviral compounds. So that helped boost this company up. And it's actually higher after hours. It's at 237, bid ask 239. Nice. Good stuff. So COCP looks decent. SandW. What I do in SandW? SandW, not much to do. I did a calendar. Not much to do in here. Look at the options. Not much here. Maybe you can get into the stock if you want. It looks like it's breaking out. RSI of 87. You got a blue here, and old resistance was 398, and we got some volume. Keep an eye on this one. And they breed agriculture commodity primary alpha seeds. And let's go to their website, because commodities are hot. Anything that has to do with ag is hot. So this is their website. I'll probably do some more homework on these guys. Seeds of opportunity. So yeah, I'll read some more about this one, but this was an interesting one today. And I like the chart. The chart's really pretty. Don't you agree? Look at that. That's very pretty. Old high was 8. 8 was the old high. What else we got here? Gevo. I sold half of my stakes in Gevo. Gevo was just crazy, bro. I had 100 shares of Gevo at $6. This thing hit. This thing is at. It hit 1168 today. I'm up on the day 416 on this one. I took half off the table, and I kept the 50 shares just to see what happens. But it's just big runner, big runner. Look at this. Look at that. I took half off. I don't want to be greedy. All right, what else we got? KTRA. KTRA. I bought 200 shares of this. Little perky here. Little perky with some volume. Another biopharma. Why not? 160 was another little hump here. 166. KTRA. KTRA. 173 down a little bit. No options. So just did the stocks on that one. Google, I closed out. I'm not even gonna fight with my money. Closed out for a loss. Closed Baidu out for a loss. I'm not gonna even mess with it. FNB bought a call. I think they have earnings tomorrow. They have earnings tomorrow, I think. So hopefully they get a good pop. Little bank. I bought over here 1250 out in time. Well, they're not little, but they're a billion market cap. No, actually 358. So I took a stab at it. They have earnings tomorrow. GSM. We talked about GSM. I got filled on a calendar here. Light. Also, Light is a big cap. It got annihilated. They bought another laser company. I forgot it was. I'll look at the news. I think I want to say it's Coherent or something. So they were down here. They got hammered. I picked up the 100 calendar spread, the call side. They bought somebody. Advanced talks to buy Coherent. Yeah. So that's why it got hammered. So I bought the 100 calls, but I sold the February and I bought the March. I don't like to buy stuff straight up. It's I don't like it. I already talked about E-Man. I sold the put in E-Man and did a calendar. These were future scalps. QS, I did a put credit spread in QS. And they do batteries. This one's been funky because this one got up to this one got up to over 100 and something, and now it's back down to 50. Got to 132, now it's back down to 50. So I sold something here. Hopefully it bounces. That's the plan there on that one. DraftKings, I closed for a little bit, a little profit, got out of that. Did a calendar on Pets. Pets got hammered today. So I did a calendar on Pets, got hammered. So I'm playing it for a little bounce back. Amazon, I closed my Iron Condor for 50% profit. I sold the put credit spread in Gilt. Gilt looked very nice today. Look at that. Clean break of everything. I think they got a contract. They got a contract, so I did a put credit spread. Ideally, you want to be a contrarian and do it, but I just think it's just going to go higher. But whatever. That's my 2 cents on that. I did a calendar and INSG. Did a calendar Nerve. TME was up big. So let me show you what INSG. big bar here. I had a put credit spread. I closed it for 50%, and I think this is just going to continue higher because it has to do with 5G, and I think this will get to 20. So I did a calendar to 20. Nerve, and this video is getting a little bit long, but I just wanted to walk you through one of my trading days so you get my feel for what I do. Nerve, I did a calendar till 5, just big bar, big volume. This thing's been destroyed. Maybe I'll go back up. It was a 5-cent calendar. 5 cent. I did 5 of them. TME, this thing had a monster move. I mean, this is a big company and it has a lot of shares. Look at this. 10-cent music. Look at this move. Complete breakout. Yeah, big move. They acquired somebody to expand their music. VLDR closed for 50% profit. Zyme, shorted Zyme, think that it's going to go lower. Then I bought shares in 200 shares of VISL. I bought 200 shares of Cint. I bought 200 shares of ARC. I did a calendar ADMA. And I'll go through. I'm not going to show you all the charts. You can look up the charts. I just want you to, if you want to write down the symbols on what I did today. CLVS. I did ACRX. I sold a put. I bought 100 shares of cost of stock. I did a put Crespet, and this is a SPAC BFT. Did a calendar in Marvell Technologies and an AMAT. And these are just hedges that I closed at the end of the day. So a great day today. Can't complain. I made the week. Now I'm just gonna keep looking for some trades, and if I need to hedge, I'll hedge because I have a lot of deltas. So I don't want to give up this week's gains. Very profitable day, and I want to keep it. Last week I gave up a little bit there on Friday, so I don't want that to happen to me again. But last week was profitable, and this week has started off very, very nicely. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I walk you through my day. Any questions, shoot them over in the comment section. Please like, share the video, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'm gonna do what I'll do is I'll do some videos on some particular ones that were high flyers, because they seem to like those videos when I do in particular, not this whole broad-based thing that I'm just showing. I just wanted you to get a feel of the market and the stuff that I saw out there today. Well, anyways, have a good night.